and Juan are so out there and ready to help us. They help us with our Spanish, they help us with any homework, they help us know Madrid more. And they also just make living here fun.
We have been hosting for 25 years.
20.
They do so much for us. We have breakfast and dinner every day, and Anna makes a different meal pretty much every night.
We prepare food from different regions of Spain and international kitchen too.
Every night at 8:30, Juan comes around to all our rooms and knocks on our doors and says, "A cenar," and we all just like run to the kitchen to where we get food and stuff, and we sit there and talk for an hour. And they do our laundry as well and clean our room and stuff.
But the most important are we give hugs.
Having so many other people that are just like around you and supporting you all the time has been great, because you have like that, you get hugs and like you get to talk with people all the time, so it like helps to make the transition a little easier.
Juan and I haven't a child, and for us, these younger girls are our child. They stay in our heart for the rest of our life.